Okay, so let's start with this question. This question is again from 3D geometry. And this question appeared in JEE Main 2020. So in this question, what is being asked is that we are supposed to find equation of the line which passes through the centroid of a given triangle and perpendicular to the plane P. So what is given here is that there is basically a plane and which is basically cutting some intercepts on x, y, and z axis. So you could take it as x, y, and z. And my plane could be something like this. So we are just looking at a plane which is cutting some intercepts on x, y, and z axis. So for certain plane which is cutting an intercept of, let's say, A, B, and C on x, y, and z, for that we have an equation which is x by A plus y by B plus z by C equals to 1. And we know that the coordinate here would be basically A, 0, 0. Here it will be 0, B, 0. And this will be 0, 0, C. And what is being said is that this is what is your A, this is B, and this is C. So this is what a triangle is being made out of it. And the centroid of this triangle is given as 1, 1, 2. So if these are the coordinates, we know the centroid coordinate would be actually A plus 0 plus 0 by 3. So what are we doing? So our formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. This is what is my centroid. So I'm just using ABC over here. So this will be A 0, 0 by 3, and this will be 0 plus B plus 0 by 3, and then this will be 0 plus 0 plus C by 3. Now my centroid has come out to be A by 3, B by 3, and C by 3. But what is given to me is actually 1, 1, and 2. So I can say here that A by 3 is actually equal to 1, B by 3 is actually equal to 1, and C by 3 is actually equal to 2. So our A is gonna be 3 over here, B is again gonna be 3, while C is gonna be 6. If I substitute these values in my equation of plane, then I will get x by 3 plus y by 3, x by 3 plus y by 3, and plus z by 6 equals to 1. Or if I can just take LCM of 6, then this will become 2x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 1. Or this will become 2x plus, 2y plus 3z equals to 6. Now, this is an equation of a plane whose direction ratios are 2, 2, and 3. So, and this is what is also the direction of the normal, you could say. So the normal vector, if you're looking at, is gonna be 2i cap, not the unit vector, but the normal vector, and 2j cap, and plus 3k cap. So, and similar manner, if you want to write n cap, then you got to just divide it by basically the magnitude of this, which is gonna be 1, right? So this is actually 1 here, right? So this will be 1, right? So you could also write it in terms of n cap, which is gonna be actually 2 by 3i cap and 2 by 3j cap and 3 by, not 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3 again, sorry, 1 by 3k cap. And what did I do? As in, like, to make it n cap, I had to just take this magnitude, right? So which is 2 square plus 2 square plus 1, which is actually equal to square root of 9, which is 3. So if I divide it by 3, then I'll get n cap as well, but n would work as well, right? So now what has been said here is that this line is passing through the centroid and it is perpendicular to the plane. So this is the equation of the perpendicular to the plane, right? So this is the vector. So we know that the equation of the line passing through a given point and basically having this direction, which is, call it as A1, and then this is going to be equal to y minus y1 upon a2 and z1 is z1 upon a3. So this is basically the direction ratios of the direction vector. So I've got direction ratios over here. So this will be nothing but x minus 1 upon 2 equals to y minus 1 upon 2. So the point is 1, 1, 2. So and then z minus 2 upon 1. So this is what will be your equation of the line, and that is all it is. All right. So thank you.